December is the season of Christmas. We make many traditional sweets called Kuswar. Today, in this video, I'll be showing you one of the sweet recipe of these. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to prepare Christmas sweet kormolas. Kormola is a Goan Christmas sweet which is traditionally prepared during Christmas. So without wasting time, let's start the video and check out the recipe. In a bowl, I am going to add 1.5 cup of wheat flour. You can also use maida. To this, I am going to add 1/4 cup of melted hot ghee. Mix this well with the help of spoon because the ghee is hot. Now, I am going to use my hands to mix it well. Now I am going to add 1/3 cup of sugar powder, half teaspoon of salt or as per taste. Now we need to add 1 egg yolk and 1/4 cup of milk. Mix all these ingredients very well. Now we need to make a soft dough of this. While kneading the dough, if you feel it is very hard, then add little more milk to it and then knead and make a soft dough. Once done, pour some ghee and apply all over. Now take a clean cotton cloth and close it, and you will keep it for about 30 minutes. Take half portion of the dough and we need to roll. Once done, we need to cut like this. First we will cut edges which are uneven and then make a square shape. Now the square shapes are ready. Now take one piece from these and we need to fold it like this. And this is the final look, and we need to make all the pieces like this. Here I have used wheat flour. Actually it is made up with maida. It will give a good taste, but I thought to make it a healthy way, so I have used wheat flour. If you wish, you can also use maida. As you can see here, kormolas are ready to fry. Next, now in a kadai, take enough oil to deep fry it. Once the oil is hot, start adding all kormolas to this and fry. And the traditional Goan kormolas are ready. If you like this recipe, please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video.